Do you need precise speed control and maximum power when it comes to material removal?
Combined with outstanding dust extraction as well as low vibration, then this new EXPERT product is ideal for you.
Introducing the EXEX18V-150-5 random orbit sander. 150mm base plate, as the name suggests, and the 5 refers to the orbit's diameter, meaning this is an incredibly fast material removal machine. Add to the fact that it's on a cordless platform, makes it a world's first when it comes to the specs.
This product is ideal for finished carpenters as well as fine carpentry, also useful for people in the automotive industry as well as painters and drywallers. If combined with the appropriate abrasive material, this has got an extremely high removal rate, which is really good for fine or rough finishing work and sanding tasks. So let's have a closer look at the sander. First off, it is a brushless machine for power and battery efficiency when running on the 18-volt battery platform. As Danny's already pointed out, this is a 150mm backing pad. As you can see, it is hook and loop and features a multi-hole design for better dust extraction. It uses Venturi air channels for that added dust extraction. It comes with a medium pad, but also there is available a soft and hard backing pad for different applications. The integrated sanding pad features this alignment section here, so you are able to align that with your abrasive material for easier alignment of the holes. Simple as placing it on like that. Finally, the integral fan helps draw the dust away from the material and into the dust box on the side.
And when we're talking about the dust box, we're quite proud of this one. So if I unscrew the plastic container at the end here, where your dust collects, you can see this has a click and clean fitting in here as well. So this will click to your Bosch click and clean extractor, allowing you to extract straight away from the machine with a nice positive click to that hose. Now, when we're talking about the collector itself, we have a pleated element in here, basically a folded paper element around the outside, with the functionality to twist the end here, and this taps the filter and allows for the maximum amount of removal of dust from that chamber before you refit it again. So you've already got really good dust extraction to this collector with a HEPA filter in there, already ready to go in the box. Now, when it comes to the actual machine itself, really good ergonomic design on here, very comfortable in the hand, single button control on the top here to switch it on and off. If I pop a battery on the back here, you can see on the base of the machine here, if I click the button quickly, green lights here show the charge level of the battery that's fitted into the machine. Above this, I have a plus and minus button here. This allows you to add a touch, adjust the speed of the machine as well, giving you that flexibility to really approach the task at hand with the maximum amount of control.
That's right, I think you've got the 5 speed settings from 5,000 OPM to the maximum of 10,000. Yeah. As you can see, Dan's popped on a 4-amp hour battery, and you can see that is the perfect balance of runtime, and you can see that it really balances the optimal balance for this particular sanding product.
One thing we didn't mention is the protection buffer or the protection ring round the front of the machine here as well. So this is designed to protect the front of the actual sanding pad. If you're working on flat surfaces, maybe up against a wall or a 90 degree, you don't really want to be running that pad into that material and potentially damaging the pad. So it has a protection buffer wheel on the front here. This can be taken off quite simply by popping off from the left side of the machine here. And again, when it comes to refitting it, you simply pop it on, push it round, wait for the click, and that's all fitted back on there for you.
Right, and one final comment to make, the fact that we've designed the machine really nice and low, the ergonomics have been a big priority in designing this particular product. It means that it is the lowest to the surface machine that we make out there, even compared to our competitors. So it's really ideal for using on normal horizontal and vertical surfaces. And in addition, it has exceptionally low vibration, which means you can pretty much use this all day fatigue-free. The EXEX18V-150-5 comes in 2 variations, in an L box or carton without a battery and charger. You get the machine itself, obviously, with a medium backing pad. You get the dust box, and we also throw in some 0780 abrasive material to get you started.
Well, Chris, you put that together in record time, so I think it's about time we do a little bit of a demonstration for you.
So what we've got is just a bit of rough pine. On the machine itself, we put on some 0780 120 grit. What Danny's going to illustrate here is just how easy it is to use the tool, very little pressure, and it's really smooth in operation. Important to note that the machine obviously has excellent dust extraction, but we always thoroughly recommend when using sanders, especially any kind of sanding application with fine dust, you always have the appropriate personal protective equipment that's necessary for the application. So Dan, let's go. Smooth, easy, nice.
In summary, when it comes to the perfect mix of ergonomics, power and performance, we've got you covered with the EXEX18V-150-5 random orbit sander.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching.
Outtakes.
So if you're in the market for a outstanding, powerful, I'll try that again. So if you're in the market for an outstandingly powerful...
Outstandingly?
Outstandingly.
Forget to like and subscribe and put your comments in the videos below. Not the video.
He didn't say thanks either. So in summary, if you need performance and power, we've got you covered here with the G... It's not a G. So in summary, if you're after a random orbit sander with the precision speed control required for dainty application... Dainty.
Dainty.
Dainty application.
Dainty.
Forget that.
Sort yourself out.